Stock market news live updates, stocks rise, S&P 500 looks to snap 7-week losing streak. U.S. stocks rose on Friday, setting the major indexes on track to end a weeks-long losing streak after a string of more upbeat corporate results at least temporarily offset fears of a steep economic slide. The S&P 500 extended gains to rise by nearly 2% intraday. The blue-chip index headed for a 4% weekly advance as of Thursday's close, which if maintained, would mark its largest since mid-March. The S&P 500 had fallen for the 7 consecutive weeks prior in its longest losing streak since 2000. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose by more than 1%, and the Nasdaq Composite added more than 2%. Investors digested a fresh set of economic data Friday morning, including the latest print on core personal consumption expenditures, PCE, the Federal Reserve's preferred gauge of underlying inflation. These showed inflationary pressures eased only modestly in April compared to March, echoing results from the still elevated Consumer Price Index and Producer Price Index released from earlier this month. Headline PCE increased 6.3% in April over last year compared to March's 6% increase, and core PCE rose by 4.9% compared to 5.2% in the prior month. But separate data also showed personal spending, adjusted for inflation, accelerated in April compared to March. Over the past several sessions, investors have weighed favorably the most recent batch of quarterly results and guidance from retailers like Macy's, Nordstrom, JWN, Dollar General, DG, and Dollar Tree, DLTR. These companies largely exceeded Wall Street's estimates, helping assuage concerns that the profit pressures reported recently by Walmart, WMT, Target, DGT, and Kohl's, KSS, were reverberating equally across all consumer-facing firms. And outside of retail, airlines including JetBlue, JBLU, and Southwest, LUV, raised their sales guidance for the current quarter, suggesting demand remains strong for discretionary travel.